Everybody, if you're looking for a landscaping website template, if you're looking for a free landscaping website template, definitely check this out. Watch this video to the end, and I'll show you how you can get this landscaping template totally free. So at the top, we got obviously phone number, business hours, info, your email address. You've got all your social media icons up here. You've got a home page, a services page, a gallery page, a contact us page, and an about page. Obviously, everything is customizable. We can customize it with your own your own information, your own pictures, and things like that. The cool thing about this is that you've got a chat bot. This is going to be a game changer for a lot of businesses because a lot of times we can't always speak with our customers. Maybe you're out on a lawnmower or doing something. This chatbot will work 24/7 and answer. We'll train it to answer all the frequently asked questions about your services. It can book appointments if you want to do uh, consultations where you want to go out and meet somebody. It can book appointments for you, and all of this goes into a CRM that's in the back office that comes with the website as well. And so you definitely want to check that out. That's going to be huge for a lot of businesses. You've got a services page, a gallery page, a contact us page, and an about page. They're all fairly self-explanatory, but just taking a peek at what the website looks like here. You've got some of your services. Why work with us? You can do a list of services here. A very quick about us page. Again, links to the contact page. The gallery page is something I wanted to show you. The gallery is kind of cool because it's got you have the ability to put in some of your best work, and customers can scroll through and look at your different pictures of different projects that you've done. And let's see. So when you do the free quote, this is going to be very helpful. You want to have this free quote button, very visible in multiple locations on the website, so somebody can get that. So, but basically, what happens is they come to this step one form where they fill out their name, their phone number, their email address, and property address, description about the property, description about your general landscaping needs. They've got some check boxes here that we can customize and add services or delete some. If you don't do power washing, let's say, we can delete that. And how often would you like? You want to say weekly, and then you submit the form. And then once you submit the form, it's going to take you to a calendar page, and they'll be able to select a day and time when they can meet with you. And all of this is customizable. Like, let's say that maybe you only do these consultations for new customers in the afternoons between 3 and 5. Well, we can go in and set up your calendar to only show available times, and it will sync with your Google Calendar. And if you wanted to go even a little bit further, we could set up another calendar for actual services that customers can book, or you can use that internally calendar system that syncs with Google Calendars and iCalendars and all that kind of good stuff. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. As I said, you can get this. You can get this for free. So we've got a couple of options here on how you can get this. You can get this website template for free, and we kind of call it a DIY version where we'll give you some training videos. You can go in and change images out, change some of the text out, change the logo out. You can go and do all of that yourself. The template's for free. We'll just upload it to your account. There is a hosting and service fee every month, but it's very reasonable, probably adequate or equal to what you're currently paying. But the nice thing with this is you get the calendar, you get the chatbot, you get the CRM in the back office. Then there's some automations that we've got in here as well. That when the customer does book an appointment, it will automatically send you a notification saying, "Hey, congratulations, you just got a new appointment booked." It'll go on your calendar. It will also send the customer a text message and an email letting them know, "Congratulations, you've booked your appointment." It will send reminders 24 hours before the appointment, and it will send another reminder 1 hour before the appointment. And so it has a lot of cool automations here that will help you out and kind of help streamline your business. This is a great marketing and automations platform here. And so if you want to get this, basically what you do, and if you want to have us set everything up for you, we'll do that as well. I mean, we can do that if you're not into setting up websites and you want to pay us a small fee to get everything up and running. But the bottom line is we can have this website up and running on your domain by this time tomorrow. So if you want information on this, here's what you got to do. You got to book a call with me. I'm going to put a link down in the description. We'll do a Zoom meeting, and I'll just give you a quick walkthrough one more time, answer any questions that you may have, and if you want to go ahead and move forward, then we'll do that and get it all set up. And if you decide you want to have us customize this, then it'll take a couple of days, but we can get it up and running for you. So anyway, check it out. Book a call if you're interested. Thanks. Take care. Bye.